Hi, my name is Roman and welcome at Motorsport Performance, where we are all about performance and quality. At Motorsport Performance, we cater for road and race customers. We started as a race team, so there wasn't any public. We was dealing just with the race, with our own team, not with the public. About 7-8 years back, we just decided, like, okay, let's do it for the public and let's try to deal with the people. Garage itself, we got two places in here. One is for the public and another one is just for the racing. We're racing the British Endurance Championship and the touring cars this year. NAPA play a big role in both sides of our business. We start to use NAPA for all our race cars in a year from now. We found them really good quality in the road customers, where most of our parts are supplied by NAPA and our local branch. We use the NAPA parts on our race car. So if I trust the parts to go in 120, 130 miles an hour, and I trust them to stop, and it's good for everyone. That's the drive shaft from our race car. We use them for a whole year, so that's how it looks like for a whole year. So we can imagine about 20 events on the circuit. It's absolutely perfectly fine. The CV joint still stiff, there's no crack. Perfectly fine. So I literally can say we can use them again. I can't see any difference in between high performance parts used for, let's say, for the racing and the NAPA parts which are supplied. First question of the customer is how much. This question we haven't got on the race. The race is, I need to finish the race, whatever, regardless. People want to choose a price and the quality. We found the NAPA, they can cover both. You can trust the price and you will get the quality. We are really happy with that. We know the parts come with the quality and the warranty from the manufacturer. We trust them 100%.